10 clothing styles for every occasion. Choosing what to wear is undoubtedly one of the most difficult choices a woman could make in her life. The way you dress, and the thought that goes into it, says a lot about who you are as an individual. A keen sense of fashion and impeccable taste are needed to distinguish between what is acceptable and what is not, for any occasion. What you wear to each of these occasions is determined by several factors, including the location, the formality of the invitation, the weather, and in many cases, what everyone else is wearing. However, there are still some general sartorial guidelines to follow. To put an end to the "what do I wear" dilemma, real simple fashion editors and experts break down and translate every imaginable event dress code, including practical tips, etiquette answers, and outfit suggestions. Number 1. A job interview. Maintain a professional, clean and acceptable appearance. Pumps with a tailored suit, pants or skirt, or a plain black or navy dress are often appropriate for a job interview. Many corporate businesses need these, but if you're looking for work in a more laid-back industry, such as a tech startup, design company or trendy magazine, you can be more creative. Number 2. Holiday clothes. Depending on our destination, we must get the corresponding clothes. Avoid taking with you the clothes that you wear constantly and remind you of your daily life. We go on vacation to escape. Whether you need holiday clothes for your next trip abroad or to enjoy a staycation at home. From chic summer dresses to cute crop tops with skirts and shorts. Choose feel-good florals, pretty polka dots, or on-trend nautical stripes for your perfect summer look. Number 3. Family or friends get-together. Wear a pair of nice jeans, a fun shirt, and trendy sneakers, sandals, or flats for a laid-back look. Relaxed vibes are great. Take a page from the host's book. If they dress to impress, you should too. Number 4. On a cruise. During the day, wear shorts, breezy tops, sundresses, skirts, bathing suits, cover-ups, sandals and sneakers as you would for a warm beach holiday. Be at ease and comfortable, but bear in mind that you are not alone. Many cruise ships have a variety of dining dress codes ranging from completely casual to smart casual and formal. If there is only one main dining room, the dress code can vary during the cruise. For example, casual the first night, and formal or maybe even black tie to celebrate the last night. For each necessity, bring a few dinner outfit choices. Number 5. A graduation. Don't stress about what to wear to a graduation event. If you're a recent alum, don't wear something you'll regret wearing in a slew of graduation pictures or at lunch with your grandparents. A bright knee-length dress is a perfect choice for an exciting occasion. Apply the same rules as above for someone else's graduation. Try a pair of stylish cropped pants with a nice jacket, a pretty patterned skirt, or a bright sundress made of nice fabric. Most graduations occur in the late spring or early summer, and many of them entail sitting outside for lengthy graduation ceremonies, so keep that in mind. Number 6. A business dinner, work party, or event. When it comes to dressing for a work event, the office's culture should take precedence. If you work in a conservative setting, dress conservatively for events as well. Take it a notch higher than what you'd wear to work. Add a nice necklace or a nicer blouse, or go for a skirt and heels instead of pants and flats. You are the best judge of your company's dress code, but on the conservative side. Particularly if you will be mingling with clients or superiors. It's appropriate to dress casually for a casual event, such as a company picnic or a charity run, as long as you avoid something questionable or offensive. Number 7. Cocktail party. Cocktail attire is the traditional dress code for evening events and parties. Cocktail wear usually includes a dress that ends at or above the knees, as well as high heels. Cocktail wear should still look formal, but it can also be quirky with bright colors, embellishments, cuts, and one-of-a-kind accessories. Cocktail party wear should be relaxed, sophisticated, and sexy. Number 8. A bridal shower or baby shower. Shower attire includes a flattering feminine dress, a skirt with a blouse or sweater, or a fun pair of pants and a flowy jacket. Wear whatever shoes you're most at home in, whether they're flats or heels. Note that bridal showers obey the same rules as weddings, unless the bride or the shower hosts specify otherwise. White should be reserved for the bride. Number 9. Workout. You should dress in loose, comfortable clothing. But if you are running or biking, avoid wide leg or loose pants that could get tangled up in the pedals or your feet. Stretchy, tailored fabrics that wick away sweat are perfect for workouts like yoga and Pilates. Bear in mind that any clothing that gets in the way of the activity should be avoided. Number 10. Casual wear. When it comes to comfort and simplicity, we prefer fabrics that allow our skin to breathe. It's all about the no-fuss and soft fabrics these days. Experiment with silk tops, skinny jeans, and very trendy shirt dresses this season. You can combine them with some funky accessories to create a trendy and fun casual look that you can wear to almost any location and event. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.